MV Agusta Brutale 800RR SCS Best Motorcycle Review, liquid-cooled, 12V, inline triple. With the 2020 MV Agusta Brutale 800RR SCS, the latter letters short for Smart Clutch System, the 800RR has come of age and blossomed into a refined, capable, but still exhilarating naked supersport weapon. It doesn't come with the latest generation electronics, color dash, or electronic suspension, but it's still well equipped, beautifully finished, and the racket from its auto blipper alone is reason to reach for your wallet. The addition of its SCS automatic clutch doesn't bring anything to the party for normal riding, or take anything away, but it works perfectly and saves effort through traffic, around town, and adds an extra layer of specialness to the riding experience. The MV Agusta Brutale 800RR was first launched back in 2013, was updated in 2016 and again for 2018 before this SCS model was revealed in 2020. Once you've read this review and our owner's reviews, why not join an online community to learn more? We'd suggest the MV Agusta Owners Club. Ride quality and brakes. Our test bike is the most refined, capable and exciting Brutale 800RR we've thrown a leg over. Everything from the power of its brutal Brembos, to the way it rolls beautifully into corners and the riotous din from its 3/cut pipes is feel-good overload. The hard seat is a pain after a few hours and it gets fidgety over bumpy backroads, but the MV handles and hangs on like a supersport racer over smooth ground. Engine. The Brutale 800RR has the most visceral auto blipper in biking. Rich, gravelly and mechanical, every burst of power shoots 3-cylinder chills through your body as each cog slices precisely home. It's just as tuneful on the way up, with a loud crack through the quickshifter as the revs kiss the red line. The MV's electronic shifters deserve a place in an orchestra, but that's not what makes the Italian so unique. There's an extra back brake pedal down by your right foot, and when you let the clutch out in first gear, nothing happens. Reliability and build quality. As you'd expect, the MV is finished to perfection and now even comes with a 3-year warranty and 2 years roadside assistance, which makes ownership more attractive than ever. We don't currently have any MV Agusta Brutale 800RR SCS owners reviews on the site, but the standard Brutale 800RR scores well. Its lack of fuel gauge was one of the main complaints. Value versus rivals. It isn't cheap and insurance will reflect its high ticket value, so it's more of a machine for the fortunate few, but it's worth it if you can afford it, and the auto clutch gives it an extra string to its bow. There are plenty of cheaper alternatives to consider in the middleweight naked sector, including the Kawasaki Z900, Triumph Street Triple RS and Yamaha MT-09 SP. Equipment. The 800RR has Brembo's, fully adjustable suspension and grippy Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires, but doesn't have the Brutale 1000RR's more advanced rider aids, but there's so much grip it's never a problem, and it still has traction/wheelie control, ABS, rider modes and an up/down shifter. It makes do with a now old-school black and white LCD dash, with laughably dull idiot lights, but with most of your time spent looking at the road, a color display is a nicety you can easily live without. You've got a choice of 2 colors, red and gray or silver and gray. You're able to customize your bike via MV's website, where you can buy bits like exhausts, levers, mirrors, and additional equipment such as paddock stands.